Welcome back people to a new video, and today we are doing the new kit reveal. I only bought the away kit. I'm going to get the home kit at a later date. So let's get into it, shall we? Also, I got kit launch 2023 wristbands. Woo! Go me. Now, this kit right here is giving me Fison's top all over. It's even got, if I'm looking at it right now, it's even got like the black logo and everything, and the black Umbro. Proper Fison's this is. It's really nice though. And then inside the collar you got running towards adversity. You got the 3 stars on the back. But that's a nice kit. Let's get it on. Oh, this is a large. For me, I'm like average size man. I'm like 5'10", 5'11", medium to average build, if you see. Proper nice. That also does remind me a little bit of that old goalkeeper top, but just a bit nicer. So yeah, that's it. This one doesn't have the collar on though. The home kit does. Now my thoughts on the home kit. I'm just gonna get it up on here. Like, it's nice. I like the collar and I like the arms, but I'm not like desperate to go get that one where I was desperate to get this one, so I'll just wait till it's on sale later on in the year and get it. But from a distance, I think the new home kit does look really nice. Proper smart. Anyway, please hit that like button, please subscribe. I've got a retro kit opening coming up with the picture book, so I hope you enjoy that. Oh, and also quickly, I've got the season predictions, like how the table's going to end up with the one that don't speak and the giraffe half coming up. So I'll catch you all in a bit. Bye 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 bye.